If you're tired of seeing ads on YouTube, so you want to upgrade to YouTube Premium's monthly or annual individual plan, family plan, or student plan, then let me show you how to subscribe to YouTube Premium in less than a minute. Even though we're using an Android smartphone for this video, this will work on any other devices such as a PC, Mac, your iPhone, or iPad. To subscribe to YouTube Premium, you can either open the YouTube app, then go to the U tab, scroll down, and tap on Get YouTube Premium. Or you can also open a browser on either your PC or phone, then go to youtube.com/premium. This will open the same subscription page, but the price and the trial period may be different, so make sure to take the best one. Now to buy the premium subscription, tap on Try for $0, and then select your monthly plans from individual, family, or student. You'll also have an option to select an annual plan. After you've chosen your plan, tap on Confirm. Now if you don't have a payment method added already, then you can add it from here or change it by tapping on this arrow and then either add your credit or debit card or your PayPal. And after checking your payment method, now just tap on Start Free Trial and you'll be upgraded to YouTube Premium right away. And the best thing about this subscription is it also includes YouTube Music Premium and YouTube Kids Premium. So go ahead and start reaping all the awesome benefits of YouTube Premium. And make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel, and enjoy.